Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys all the types of plants that are going to be kind of like asked by Jack in the Beanstalk event on Grow a Garden. So I will name out the types of plants, and I might also like edit it so you guys can see the plants needed for that plant. So right now, berry plants. So there's blueberry, celesteberry, cranberry, elder strawberry, grape, lingonberry, raspberry, strawberry, and white mulberry. Candy, blue lollipop, candy blossom, candy sunflower, chocolate carrot, Easter egg, red lollipop, and sugar glaze. Flower, there are 44 types. I'm not going to name them all, but I'll probably put an image here. There's fruit plants, there's fungus plants, there's leafy plants, there's also night plants, prehistoric plants, prickly plants, root plants, sour plants, spicy, stalky, summer plants, sweet, toxic, tropical fruit, vegetable, woody, zen. And those are the types of fruits you'll need for the Beanstalk event. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.